if x and y are positive integers and x times y to power 4 over 3 to third power is 648, what is the value of xy? So let's see what we have given here. We have that x and y are positive integers, so greater than 0. We have that x times y to power 4 over 3 to power 3 is 648. So what we can do on the left side, we have multiplication in parentheses. It means we have to raise to third power x, and we have to take to third power 4 over, and we have y to power 4 over 3. We have to also raise to third power. We have to raise every expression in parentheses because we have multiplication to third power. This is 648. So now we copy x to third power, power to power, so we have to multiply these powers. We have 4 over 3 times 3. This is 648. We see that 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that x to third power y to fourth power is equal 648. What else? We need to find x, y to find the value x times y. So x and y are our unknowns. What else? X and y are positive integers, so I think the easiest way to find x, y is to find prime factors of 648. How we do this? We will build the table, and first, what is prime factor? It is number which is divisible by 1 and itself. And we know that we have here only positive integers, so prime number, the smallest prime number, what will be? At the end we have 8. So for sure this number is divisible by 2. This is prime number. 2 is divisible only by 1 and 2 itself. So 648 divided by 2 is 324. Again, at the end we have 4, so we can divide again by 2 our number. So it will be 162, again at the end 2, so it means that this number is divisible by 2. 162 divided by 2 is 81. Now we cannot divide by 2 because at the end we have 1, but when we add these digits, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so it means we can divide this number by 3. And now 81 divided by 3 is 27. Again, 2 plus 7 is 9, so we can divide this number by 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 we can divide by 3 again. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 we can divide only by 3. So we have at the end 1. Now what we have on the right side? We have 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. So it means that 648, we can rewrite that this is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. We have 3 times 2, and we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So we can rewrite that 648 is equal, the base is 2, and how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, so the power will be 3, times 3, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 to 4th power. What we have here at the beginning, that x is to 3rd power, y is to 4th power. So let me write this, that 648 is equal x to 3rd power, y to 4th power. So we can rewrite that x to 3rd power times y to 4th power, this is equal 2 to 3rd power times 3 to 4th power. Why? Because 2 times 2 to 3rd power times 3 to 4th power is 648, and x to 3rd power, y to 4th power is 648. So we have this equation, and we see that when the left side will be equal to the right side, and x and y are positive integers we have given, when x is equal to, because we have x to third power, so x is equal to, and y is equal 3, because we have y to fourth power, and here we have 3 to fourth power. So x is equal to, y is equal 3. For these two values, we have that left side of our equation will be equal to the right side. So we found x and y. So now we can find the value of x times y. X times y, it will be, we'll substitute x by 2 and y by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. We found the value of xy. This is my solution.